Okay, as you know, it's sunny but smoky today. Bob's here with the weather to tell us when we might see a change, and I hope it's soon, Bob.
Well, I think we're already starting to see a change out there. Despite the Idaho DEQ forecast of red air quality, it looks pretty good out there.
Yeah,
actually.
I was noticing earlier.
Yeah, let's check out the forecast for the next few days of the fair. Well, we remain on the good news side. We're looking at some sunshine. There's just some smoke and some haze. It's not going to completely vent out of the valley because we're still getting some wildfire smoke from mainly our northern California fires. And visibility might not be as good as the Boise Valley up around Baker City and McCall. They're a little closer to some wildfires up there. We have the possibility, anyway, of a chance of some thunderstorms on Wednesday. Only a slight chance of some actual precipitation. More likely, maybe some thunderstorm winds or thunderstorm off in the distance. And 93 our high on Thursday, a cooling trend as we head into the weekend. Here's our weather headlines. Smoky again today. Some thunderstorms possible on Thursday, like I alluded to, and cooler weekend shaping up. Here's a look at our time lapse, and this is what I'm talking about. This is our sunrise this morning. We had a little bit of cloud cover. And in general, visibility still a little bit hazy out there off in the distance, but I've seen worse over the last week. That was a view from the airport. National Weather Service out there. We have a red flag warning up in Washington State, but much of the Pacific Northwest under air quality advisories because of wildfire smoke. And again, we're got an air quality warning, and again, we're forecasted to be in the red. That is unhealthy for pretty much everybody and outdoor burning banned. Looks a bit hazy on that shot. There's the depot at the present time. Air quality will improve. I think we'll probably see our best air quality right around 4 o'clock, and then we start to see the smoke move back in. 80 degrees, current temperature winds at 6 miles per hour. 80 degrees in Boise, 69 in McCall, 62 in Stanley, and many locations in the 70s. Looks like Mount Home a little bit warmer at 80 degrees. Forecasting a high of 96, that's 9 degrees above normal. 9 degrees above normal as far as the overnight low as well. We have a low pressure trough just off the Canadian coast, big dip in the jet stream, a high pressure ridge to our southeast. In between, we're getting the southwesterly flow, and it's bringing up some smoke from wildfires in Northern California for a change rather than that northwesterly flow from last week when we were seeing all the smoke from the Washington fires. Also, a little bit of moisture you can see as that southwest flow hits the mountains. A little bit of moisture rings on out, a little bit of cloud cover, a little bit of shower activity that has now moved on to Montana. Also another band up there in northern Idaho. Here's our Futurecast computer model. You're going to see this monsoonal moisture start to creep up, a little bit more cloud cover just to our east on Wednesday. That's where most of the precipitation will be, but it will also moisten up our atmosphere with the heating of the day. There's 305 on Thursday. We could see some isolated showers mainly over our nearby mountains. So here's what we're looking at as far as our regional forecast. First off, for the Magic Valley, you're looking at sunny but smoky conditions. Sunny but smoky for Sun Valley. And for the Long Valley up around McCall and Cascade, daytime highs in the upper 80s today. And here in the valley, we're looking at highs in the mid to upper 90s. That's about 9 degrees above normal. Thunderstorms possibly on Thursday, cooler for the weekend. Rick?